I'm going to be making glossy slime, the best slime. So yeah, let's just hurry up and get on to the video because I'm so excited. So what you will need is a spoon, sorry it's dirty, and a mixing bowl. And I just use this to poke on because this is a little thing that you can poke on. And clear Elmer's glue. And see if I can fit this under here. Tide. And let me show you guys the kind. So it's just original Tide I used. So let's start by adding in our clear Elmer's glue. That's washable, of course. Let's pour in that. It's gonna be a big slime, as you could tell. Okay, so next we will pour in our Tide. So let's start. And guys, there's gonna be bubbles that will make it not look clear. Oh my gosh, there's like, I should have actually washed the pan, but there's just gonna be like rocks in there and stuff. There's gonna be bubbles that won't make it clear, so just stick it in your fridge. Not your freezer. Make sure it's not your freezer. And just set it there till the bubbles are all gone. But if you leave it not clear, it will be a glossy slime. And I will show you my other slime that I use the same ingredients with, and it's super glossy. I'll show you actually right now. I have time. So this is it. It's actually even more glossier in the sun. It doesn't really look glossy, but it will be. So yeah. And I just used the same ingredients. But you see it's not really coming together very good. So you're just going to add, if it's like that, just add a little bit more of your Tide and stir. Guys, it is turning out so perfect. It's like so cool. And it's way better than using just white Elmer's glue because it's like see-through once you put it in the fridge. Oh yeah, you just put it in the fridge for about about an hour. Yeah, an hour. And it will become slime. Okay, so let's start using my hand because I need to pick it up. So here is our glossy slime. So cool, guys. I know, right? So it's very pokeable. And guys, way better than just boring old white slime. Like, whoa. So, yeah. And I'm going to show you guys my swirl that I'm going to make right now. I didn't really have time to make a really nice swirl, so I just kind of threw it together real fast. So, yeah. It just farted. What kind of slime does that? That's glossy. I'm just kidding. Glossy slimes don't fart. So it's just really cool, guys. So make sure you make this slime. If you didn't, I'm sorry for you because this was a really nice slime. JK. But it really was a really nice slime. But yeah, guys, I hope you guys liked this video. Give it a thumbs up. And the question of the day is, do you like making slime? Put down below in the comments. Like, subscribe, and yeah, bye guys!